got another week. So this week is from Fasting Hair Store on Amazon, and I'm gonna be unboxing this. Oh my god, I am super excited, guys. So it came with two wig cap. One is already on my hand. My hand is passing through it. Look how my hand is passing. I'm gonna be doing a style that I haven't done before, and this is the inspo. And I believe that I can achieve this. Not to waste your time, let's get into the video. So this wig is a 13 by 4 30-inch. See the wig, the lace is HD. It is so beautiful. I'm telling you, this wig is giving Beyonce. I mean, look at that makeup. Oh my god, I look so cute. So I was just setting up the wig and then setting it up. And this is the hardest part because I had to lose some of this beautiful wig. This is so heartbreaking, but yeah, I had to cut it. And yeah, afterwards I went on to spray my got2b. I sprayed 2 and 3 layers so that it can stay long, and then I dry it off. When it became sticky, I went ahead and put my wig, set it straight, press my hand on it so that it can stay good. As you can see, guys, look at that face. Oh my god, damn, yeah, the makeup aid. Yum yum. And yeah, I sprayed another layer up so that it can stay long. Afterwards, after it got sticky, I went on and put my band. And after putting my band, I was just feeling myself because I look like Beyonce. Nobody my God for me. I look like Beyonce, yeah. After just cutting off the accessories, and this week was so easy to work with. It was so easy to melt. I didn't even put extra glue on it after laying it. It just laid like that, and it just melt into my skin, yeah. It was giving Beyonce. This week is so easy to melt. I mean, look at it. I didn't put nothing like melting spray. It's just my got2b, and it's going, it's eating. This style was supposed to be difficult, honestly, but because of how good the wig is, how soft it is, it was a piece of cake for me, yeah. It was so good, it was so easy, and I just enjoy doing this style, yeah. Maybe I'm gonna do it again, So yeah, I just take another piece, doing it like the way the girl did it, like the way my inspo did it, and then tie it, and then just go see the process. This wig is so cute. Look how it look how it made me, yeah. It's so cute. It was so easy to lay. I didn't put got2b over that hair to lay it. See how everything laid. Oh my god, it's so cute. After I was done, I decided to add a bit of foundation. I should have added concealer, but yeah, I decided to add a bit of foundation. It was cute, it was giving, it was eating. This is the final look. I mean, look at me. This is the final look, guys. As you can see, I didn't add anything in this hair. I didn't add no product in this hair. It came looking this shiny, and the curls are so defined. It is so soft. Yeah, guys. So thank you for watching. Bye.